barbecue fam? Today we're doing up some sausage stuffed mushrooms on a char griller 980. Oh hell yeah, quick and easy and delicious. Check this out. Spring is on the way, but it is cold as all hell out here. First thing I'm going to do, cook up some sausage. I'm using sweet Italian sausage. I'm going to mix that in with a brick of smoked cream cheese I threw on the 980. Hit that up with a little Uncle Steve shake on there, the cow shake. Oh hell yeah, the competition kind is amazing. And I did 2 bricks of cream cheese because I wanted to do some jalapeno poppers as well. Same mixture with the exception I added a little bit of hot jelly inside, wrapped it in bacon, put it on as well. Same thing, 350, and we're rocking those for about a half hour. So that's got to go on first, and then I'm also going to be rocking a ribeye on a kettle. Oh hell yeah. Then you're going to mix that cream cheese in with your sausage and then work that around. Pop it into your caps. You're going to take the stems out, fill the caps full as much as possible, and then I'm going to top it with some cheddar and Gruyere and smoke that at 350 for about 20 minutes or so, and then pull it off, let it rest, and bite into one of these delicious mushroom caps. Oh hell yeah. So we're about 10 to 15 minutes in, and let's check on our stuffed mushrooms. So we're gonna rock those for at least another 15 minutes, and all that moisture, that'll dry up, and these things will be amazing. Just don't bite right into one, because it'll burn the heck out of you. It's almost April, and today's in the 20s. Wind, snow again. I mean, this is just terrible. Not a fan of that. Well, no. Give me a hell yeah! Let's not burn my mouth. It's so cold out though. This should be instantly frozen. I said give me a hell yeah. Oh hell yeah. Guys, get out there. Stuffed sausage, mushrooms, smoked on the char griller or any cooker that you got. Oh hell yeah. Oh my. That's rocking. It's hot too. No matter the weather, get outside and cook. Oh hell yeah, loved it. This is amazing, delicious, and I can't wait to cut into that ribeye. Oh hell yeah. But these stuffed sausage mushrooms, damn straight, do it. I said give me a hell yeah.